To connect the Galaxy S26 or S26 Plus into your car, first of all, you will have to go into the settings and make sure that you have enabled Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Next, you have to go back from this one and go to the connected devices and now go for Android Auto. Now, in the most cases, you will be also redirected to the Play Store to get the latest version of Android Auto. So the first method is quite simple. You have to click to connect a vehicle, and we've got two methods, wireless and the wired one. First of all, let's start from the wireless. So on your car screen, you have to also enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, just like that. Of course, it depends on the car model, but you will definitely find it in some connection settings. Now we have to click to connect using wireless Android Auto. And in some vehicles, we have to press and hold the voice command button on the steering wheel to start that process. But in my car, all I have to do is just to click to connect using Bluetooth, click to pair a vehicle, and now I can find my car on available devices list. So I have to just click on it, and after a few moments, I should get a pairing request on my screen, just like this. So I have to click yes, that I want to connect, and also I have to accept that pairing request on my S26 or S26 Plus. Now, if you want to get the full functionality of the Android Auto, you will have to accept all of those incoming permissions for messages, calls, and other transfer dates. So just wait for this. Now you should also get this information: welcome to the Android Auto, click continue, and also on your phone grant permission into everything. Now, as you can see, you should be connected just like this, and on your car you should find this dedicated Android Auto icon to quickly get into it. So on the left side you can find some options, like for example you can open the settings and customize the behavior of the Android Auto. You can also find Spotify, Google Maps, basically just everything. And now in the second method, you have to just start by using the double USB-C cable, or if you have USB-C into USB-A, you will have to need adapter. So now connect first the end of the cable into the USB-C port in your car, and right now you have to go for your phone, plug it in, and we should also get this automatic connection. So take a look on my car screen, I can find this information, so I have to just click OK and confirm, and after a few moments I will be connected. So the wired method is much faster and everything will be already important.